I think probably the most interesting thing that will differentiate or show why TX7 is a better product than what's on the market is that what it is that we've put into our engine treatment versus what our competitors have put into their engine treatment. First, I'm going to hold up TX7, and as you can see, it's a pretty clean looking material. It's a kind of a white material, very unique in that all the ingredients are virgin materials. They've never been used anything else or refined. So we don't have anything competing for what we're trying to achieve once it's put into the engine. A very popular product that's on the market uses a 30 weight motor oil as a carrier and then adds polymer to it, the wrong kind at that, and you see that it settles to the bottom of this test tube. We've got another competitor, same issue. The materials are separating. They don't want to stay suspended. You can see from ours, total suspension. The cloudiness is the polymer particles. A half a micron, you can't even see that. It's so tiny. Another product that's a competitor, same issue. They're using base stocks that are not of the caliber material that Polymer Dynamics has decided to use so that we give our customer the best material they can possibly buy or put in their engine.
Can you tell me why it's so important for it to be suspended in the oil and what the difference is when it's not suspended versus when it's suspended?
Absolutely. Having the product suspended in the oil, when you pour it in the engine, it disperses throughout the engine and will start this burnishing process. When you shut the engine off, it stays suspended. When you shut the engine off, it falls down into the bottom of the oil pan where it stays forever. So if you don't go about putting the engine treatment in the engine correctly and immediately try to get it to function as it's supposed to, you're most likely going to end up with majority of the polymer in the bottom of the pan where it shouldn't be in the first place. And then when it congregates like that, it could potentially even cause you an issue. So ours goes through any oil filter. It's so tiny that nothing will stop it. And because of it being a virgin material, it's soft enough to burnish or smear or stick to any of the high friction parts in the engine, again, creating that phenomena of reducing friction and parasitic drag, which will equate to a little bit of horsepower and a little bit of fuel mileage.